Here's another tip from the maintenance master. If you have an above stove microwave, it's always best to make sure these filters are kept clean once a week. Not only is it better to not have a dirty filter over your food as you're cooking, but it's best you maintain proper ventilation. Let's get started. First, you put your finger in this ring, slide the filter back, and it comes down. Just as easy as that. Now, let's clean the filter. The best way to clean these filters is to just use standard dish soap and a sponge. Well, you get the picture. Let's get it finished and get it put back in. Now that we got the filter cleaned, reinstall it and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Here's another tip from the maintenance master. If you have an above stove microwave, I'm going to show you how to clean the filters. It's best to keep these filters clean every so often, depending on how much you cook. For one, you don't want a dirty filter over the food you're cooking. For two, it's best to maintain proper ventilation. Now let's get started. There's a ring on the filter. You just place your finger in, slide it back, and pull it down. It's as simple as that. Now let's clean the filter. The best way to clean the filter is just normal dish soap and a sponge.